Good day.
We are here to present
A systems analysis study on the manual sales monitoring and product inventory. Long Me Commercial Company.
presented by
CJ Esconde. Johnny Golfang.
and Michelle Vicky.
Number 299 between 6th and 7th Street, 10th Avenue, Grace Park East, Caloocan City, Philippines. Technological changes affect the way systems are developed and implemented. With these rapid changes, different organizations are involved in the development and use of new applications concerning the distribution of data and processes together with the information which is being used increasingly as a competitive tool. Technology is, in effect, increasing the needs for data resources, wherein organizations need all types of data in their business activity in order to go beyond the business process. This has resulted in a heightened need to enhance the accessibility, integrity, and usefulness of the organizational data and promote the view of information management oriented to data as an integrated resource rather than one that focuses on separate processes. Data accuracy, consistency, and reliability needs to be ensured in order to become a key to integrating future systems. Also, sales monitoring and product inventory systems are turning to be a need for organizations striving for better business processes. At the present time, it is necessary for all business organizations to monitor the sales a company gains and keep track of all the products or stocks on an automated manner. It should monitor sales production and track product inventory, helping the company to be competent, proficient, resourceful, and precise in monitoring the stocks. It is, must, it is a must to come up with a solution to resolve existing and arising problems. One way to make sure that upcoming problems will be resolved is to have an automated system that provides all the needs of the company and demands of the customers, which will be beneficial to both parties.
Mission of the company. Longme Commercial Company is an enterprise institute primarily with the objective to promote and uphold the contemporary trend of the people getting back to nature and rediscovering themselves in the outdoors, giving the industry a tremendous boost. Vision. We, the Longme Company, as a world-class distributor of sporting goods, envision our nation to be a better campestral communities where people enjoy the outdoor relating to the growth of the travel, leisure, and recreational trend in the industry.
Products and services. Here are some of the examples of their products. Motorized treadmills, elliptical bike, AB King, AB Roller, AB Swing, ankle and wrist weights, bars and dumbbells, basic magnetic upright bike, weight bench with a lat pull, foldable weight bench, easy shaper, spinning bike, fan bike, one station home gym, weight bench, heavy duty bench, multi-cage with bench, multi-bench, foldable, and spinning bike, etc. Medyo, ikaw hindi ako,
The president of Longme Commercial Company is Mr. Benito C. Under him is the accounting head, which is Janet Ramirez, finance manager Eileen C., and logistics Rose Soul.
here's the fishbone analysis for sales monitoring of Longme Commercial Company. There is difficulty in monitoring sales. For the manpower, lack of persons in charge of sales. For the method, there is unmanaged record of sales data. For the materials, logbook entries are not standardized, and loss of files and reports are existing. For the machinery, there are problems in manual preparation of reports. For the inventory process takes a lot of time. For the manpower, The in charge of inventory sometimes forget updating the inventory. There is a lack of personnel assignment. For the method, there are errors in product stock entry. The retrieval of inventory takes a lot of time. For the materials, there are unmanaged records of inventory data. And for the machinery, no facility that helps in generating inventory reports.
Here are the goals and objectives of the system that we are proposing. To help the organization minimize human and downtime errors regarding the sales and inventory record. To determine the sales rendered within the organization from its valued customers. And to generate inventory and sales reports for management to use when conducting physical counseled on-hand inventory items.
These are the business processes that we are focusing on. First is the order processing. Second, the delivery and inventory. Third, consignment and monthly sales report and inventory replenishment. Here are the scope and limitations. Monitoring sales with consignment agreement with the retailer. Maintaining product inventory of items stocks.
This is the use case narrative of our sales monitoring system. First, the system will ask the user to identify the retailer and check if he is registered. If the user is already registered, it can directly proceed in receiving the order. If the user is not registered yet, the system will ask the user to register first after proceeding to receiving the order. If the user asks to adjust or change the order, the system will automatically update the order. If not, it will generate a pull-out form and the products will be delivered. If there are some cases that the customer returned the product, the system will be able to replace the product order and it will be updated and recorded.
Here is the product inventory system flow. The product inventory system is responsible for monitoring the inventory. If the inventory stocks had reached its reorder level, it will replenish stocks and receive its product for inventory. The inventory stocks will now be updated and recorded.
For the consignments, the system verifies the sales report from sales associate. Then it will record the sales per item and generate monthly sales report.
As you can see in our traceability matrix, under product management are create product record, edit customer record, and update product record. In order management, create order record, edit order record, and update order record. In user management, create product record, create customer record, and create order record. In report generation, generate sales report, generate inventory report, and generate order report. And in customer management, create customer record, edit customer record, and update customer record. For our implementation plan, number 1 is data gathering. It spans for 4 weeks of all month of April, and the deliverables are forms, questionnaire, and interview. For second, requirements spans for the second half of April and first half of May, and the deliverables are data information. For third, revision is the second half of May, and deliverables are final paper. Fourth, orientation, first half of June, deliverables are speech. And fifth, designing, whole month of June, deliverables are layout. Sixth, testing, whole month of July, deliverables are test script. Last, feedback, spans for whole of August, and deliverables are survey.
The login system form. Below is the main form system. The customer information form. And below is the supplier information form. The product category form. The item pricing form. The product name form. the item name form, receive order form, order adjustment form, process delivery form, receive supplies form, inventory adjustments form, return supplies form, sales form, invoice form.
So that's a report for the system proposal to the company.
Longme Commercial Company that distributes online fitness equipment.
That's the end of our report. Thank you.